The process was very easy actually when I went for the hearing test. They give you, you put headphones on and they play different frequency sounds, and basically you just press a button when you hear the sound. And then they do a talking test as well, where they just say words and you have to repeat what they say. And it's fantastic because they can give you a graph to show you, what pitches you have lost and what are good. Some of my pitches are very good, and then some of them are completely lost. And what I didn't know was that there is an area in the graph that when you go down into that grey area, even a hearing aid won't compensate. So it's really important to get it before it gets too bad.